Uttaranchal has international boundary with blank in north, northeast and eastern side. Both A and B. The trophy known by the name of Grand Prix is associated with table tennis, lawn tennis and shooting. Tripura is surrounded by blank in the east. Both A and B. The trophy given for exemplary conduct displayed by an athlete during the Olympic Games is Tokyo Trophy. Toxin is a poisonous substance produced by all of the above. Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary as Tamil Nadu has reserves of important bird sanctuaries. The term of office of a judge of the International Court of Justice is nine years. UNESCO, United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, was established in (1946). The Treaty of Versailles was signed in (1919). The temporary suspension of hostilities by mutual consent in order to start a peace negotiation is called armistice. The term used when a member of legislature leaves his party on whose ticket he was elected to join the ruling party or the opposition is called floor crossing. Under Article 61 of the UN Charter, the membership of the Economic and Social Council was which of the following years from 27 to 54? (1973). WTO, WHO and IDA are blank of General Assembly. Specialized agency and other autonomous organization. When light passes from air into glass, it experiences change of wavelength and speed. When is the World's Diabetes Day? 14th November.